Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decision. Today we're looking at the Wheeler Engineering F.A.T wrench. But first thing, when you grab this is heavy. This is not a lightweight plastic piece, but it's a handy little tool. First thing I will say, it comes with a very small selection of bits, so you might want to look at their screwdriver bit set. It goes great with any gunsmithing applications or for even some bike stuff as well. This is real handy for carbon frames, things like that, where you can't over torque without worrying about cracking your frame. These are inch pounds, not foot pounds like you normally think of with the torque wrench. So this is 10 to 60 inch pounds. Now, adjustments real easy on this. You just pull back and you can screw that up. So those adjustments are nice and small. You're not in a flyby. Just feels really well made. Some of my wrenches don't go as low as 10 inch pounds. So this is a handy thing to have for really minute adjustments. Now, is it the most accurate with this type of scale? No. But it's repeatable. And to me, that's more important than to have exactly 15 inch pounds. If I'm at 14, I'm at 16, I'm not as worried about that, especially for mounting a scope, as I am with having consistent torque. So overall, I think it's a worthwhile unit for the price especially. This is going to aid more than a lot of other ways to spend 40 to 50 bucks. So from that standpoint, it's a worthwhile tool in your gunsmithing bag.